Want to backup and restore iPhone without iTunes or iCloud on computer? If yes, then this video is for you. Watch this beautiful and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to backup iPhone without iTunes on computer. Hey folks, myself from W is back with another video, and today I want to show you all how to backup iPhone without iTunes on computer. Folks, using this method you can not just backup but can also restore and transfer files from computer to iPhone without iTunes or iCloud. So after watching this video you will be able to backup your iPhone on computer, and to do this we will be using an iPhone backup tool, and here comes Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner. It can help to backup and restore iPhone without iTunes or iCloud, can also transfer files between two iPhones directly without backup and restore. Here are some key features of Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner. The best thing is that it supports all iPhone series including latest iPhone models. Just follow simple steps and you can backup and restore iPhone to computer in minutes. Wow, that seems so easy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free trial to download. It starts downloading, and once Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner. Now firstly we need to connect our iPhone with computer via USB. Once connected, we will get Trust This Computer notification on iPhone. Tap on Trust and enter iPhone passcode. Once iPhone is connected, here we have all the features and capabilities of Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner. We can do so much more with Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner, but today I will show you all how to backup iPhone to computer. Here we are back on Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner. Click on backup. Here it mentions device information, model iPhone 6, device version 12.5.7, device storage 29.79 GB, and device name Akhil's iPhone. We can also choose to have backup password. Let's not choose any and click on next. Now from here we can choose what data we want to backup. With all backup it will do a complete backup, but if you want to select type of data we want to backup, we can click on classified backup and choose data. Let's do a complete backup, so select it all backups. Next, from here we can choose backup path. If we want to choose a specific drive or location, select it F drive. Now click on start. It will start backing up iPhone to computer. Will take some time depending on size of backup. Once done, here it mentions backup succeeded. Now we can also browse through and look for backup file in F drive. See, here we have done iPhone 6 backup to computer without iTunes or iCloud. Now if we want to, we can use this iPhone backup file to restore data whenever we want to. We can use Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner to restore iPhone. So for that's how easily can also backup iPhone to Windows laptop using Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner. Now you may ask, is Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner pricing plans. Here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have pricing plan for Cocosenor data tuner. This is highly affordable and offers one-time purchase and comes with lifetime free updates. Wow, that's cool. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin comment to try out Cocosenor iPhone backup tuner if you want to backup iPhone to PC. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to W Business, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Taki Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Want to recover deleted files from Windows PC? If yes, then this video is for you. और आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप ऑफिशियल विंडोज 10 ISO फाइल फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।